What's up, YouTube? This is Working on Moments of the News FluffyJet. Today is Wednesday, July 15, 2026. Today is here a recent edition of the serious news, and here. Bernard Regalia is 30 years on American American. Also, first in our country, first in our here, the first in our here, and the first, and two, what today, the first years and months. Into the news! Cora the Collector. Phoebe and Jay. Almost way. Weather Hunters. Wild Crats. Is this news FluffyJet without Rosny? What's up, guys? It's ladies and gentlemen here this week. This is feature for fastest American 30 years is right here. And now before it's gone. And here for Antonio is here, Francisco's here. And now Weather Hunters. Alright, subscribe for more for Nation. Drop a comment below. We'll see you guys in the next time. Just working on my heads. Signing off for now. Alright, we see you later this soon.